Hello, my name is Diane Lafferty and I'm a licensed clinical social worker. Welcome to another program in our self-care toolbox. Today we're going to be learning about guided imagery, otherwise known as guided relaxation or guided meditation. In a previous video we learned about breath and how to connect the head and the heart. Today we'll be using our breath to help ground ourselves while using a series of prompts and symbols and metaphors to help take us to a place of relaxation and calm. In this world where our time can be very anxiety producing, perhaps we're going through a difficult time, perhaps going through chemotherapy, or family issues, or all the rest of the things that are happening now in this world, taking time for ourselves and connecting our head and our heart can be the most important thing that we can do for ourselves during the day. So I'm going to ask you to sit back and relax. You can either sit or lie down. And now what we're going to do is start our guided relaxation. So please find a comfortable place to sit or lie. Close your eyes, soften your gaze. Please make sure your phone is off and any other distractions that might be coming up for you are put aside for now. This is your time to relax. If there are any noises, please just notice them and let them float by like they're on a cloud. And just release them. No judgment. Start to take a few breaths in through your nose and release them through your mouth. Perhaps roll your shoulders up to your ears and let them float gently down your back. A deep breath in and relax. One more deep breath in and relax. Now relax your body, starting at the top of your head. Acknowledge the thoughts that may come in. Just put them on a cloud and let them float by. No judgment. Relax your scalp. Now relax your brow. Relax your chin, perhaps taking your jaw and opening and closing or moving it from side to side to aid in that relaxation. Relax your ears and relax your nose. Relax your tongue and just touch it to the roof of your mouth to relax. If you're noticing that you're holding any tension or pain in a certain area, acknowledge that pain and let it go. No judgment. Continue to breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Now focus your attention on your neck, relaxing those neck muscles as you breathe in and blow out what does not serve you. Send your attention to your shoulders, a place where we often hold tension and pain, and just breathe into that spot. Notice what you notice. No judgment. Just release on the exhalation any thoughts or anything that does not serve you. Breathe in that peace and release what does not serve you. Now relax your arms. Relax your forearms. Relax your hands. Send any tension or pain out through your fingertips as you breathe in and exhale. Send any tension, anything that does not serve you, with that exhalation. Now relax your chest. And relax your belly. Just notice anything that's coming up for you as you do this relaxation. Any pain, any tension, any thoughts. And as you breathe in that beautiful oxygen. And as you exhale, release anything that does not serve you. Now relax the muscles in your buttocks. Relax your thighs. Relax your knees. Relax your lower legs. Notice any pain or tension you may be holding. Relax your ankles. Relax your feet. And allow any tension or pain or anything that does not serve you to release through your toes on each exhalation. So breathe in through your nose and release anything that does not serve you through your toes and the bottom of your feet with that exhalation. Now, relax your mind. Relax your heart. Breathe in that beautiful sense of peace into your heart. And on the exhalation, blow out what does not serve you. Breathe in that beautiful healing light throughout your body and let it flow to all your inner organs and relax. Breathe in relaxation and release whatever does not serve you. Allow yourself to breathe in peace, using whatever beautiful light might feel best for you at this time. And blow out whatever color does not serve you, whatever it might be, any words, any thoughts, any feelings, any pain, let it go. Just release it on each exhalation. Continue to breathe. And now, take 2 more healing breaths in and release. And now, as you slowly start to come back into the room, maybe wiggle your toes, wiggle your fingers, wiggle your head from side to side gently, and begin to open your eyes gently as you become aware of the room around you. Just notice what you notice. I hope you can take this feeling of calm and peace with you and use it throughout your day. Remember, any time that you feel you need to bring yourself to a place of calm and center, take a good deep breath in, hold it, and then release. Please be well, please be safe, and please, most of all, be kind to yourself.